What's up, the game family? So it's been a lot going on in the last couple months since March, since I made them videos of me riding. I blew the motor. Oh, I blew the motor on Catalina, so I'm here at FedEx right now. I'm picking up the motor right now. I will be vlogging a little bit more for more details as well, but we just wait for him to come drop the motor off right now. I tore it down a little bit last night. Me and Marty, we tore it down. I'm gonna tag them in below for sure. But yeah, new updates coming soon. So we got new hoses, new fairings, sneak peek on that. New clamps. What else? We got new thermostat. We got new stator cover and rectifier cover. New sprocket cover as well, because that bolt is like super big. It's hot. I'm in CW right now. Right now I'm picking it up. He just took my ID and all that good stuff. So until then, guys, y'all gonna see it tonight. I'm gonna vlog tonight. Y'all gonna see he bringing the motor up right now. This is something I used to do, by the way. I used to work at FedEx for like 4 years, man. I ain't been to FedEx facility in a hot little minute. Hopefully we can get it started today. It did come, so we got the motor. So Catalina will be done, and then I will vlog some more today. I'm about to go to Macomb Power Sports and get the some the coolant, the Yamaha lube. So that's what I put on my bike. Yeah, and it's hot outside, so I'm about to go. So y'all stay tuned. Back, we got the motor. It's in the back, and we got the Yamaha lube, full synthetic. Is it synthetic? Synthetic. I think that's what that means. But I got this Yamaha lube, and I got an oil filter. Oh, I didn't get spark plugs. We can take the ohms off. I'm gonna take the ohms off the other bike. I don't think they have. I don't think they have spark plugs. I think I forgot spark plugs. They probably don't have them either. And we're back, and I got the spark plugs. I forgot them. And I got the filter. I double checked the oil. That is the right one that I had last time, so that's what I'm running. And I got the oil filter as well. So, and it's Yamaha, standard brand originally. So, all right, so we're about to go drop all this stuff off. I'm about to go change up, about to hop on the bike, my friend bike as well. That's gonna be another vlog for another day, but I'm probably gonna end up vlogging that too as well. And we're out. I am hungry. I haven't eaten none yet, so I will tap back in later. Probably on my other GoPro. Keys fell. I'm gonna tap in the other GoPro as well. Hinkies, I can't find my glasses. Like, no, so if you know, you know. For my other vlogs, go make sure you go watch those. But I'm about to get ready to go drop all this stuff off, change up, get a good little ride in, and then I'll see you later, y'all. Peace. What's up, gang family? We are here at the garage. We are taking Catalina apart. We took all the bolts out. Me and Commander, we doing the thing. Yeah, I can't pay nobody, $1,000 right now to keep working on it. So we got the oil, we got the oil filter. I got new fairings coming, new clutch cover coming. All that's coming. New oil, coolant, everything in it. But here we go. So we definitely turn it down. First time actually like tearing down Catalina right now. So we've been working on it for like 2 days already. She all drained out. She was smoking in the last video. Y'all gonna see that too as well. And also, here we go. We got the other motor. Came in today, hot off the press, you feel?
on what.
So we got the motor out. Dirty, filthy. That's what it's about. The grit. You get to get your hands dirty. She's out though. So here's the motor. She's out. She's a little dirty though. But yeah, I think she was like leaking. Cause she like hella dirty. But we about to take this motor out. Take this one out here and put it on a tire, and yeah. So we working on it, y'all. Catalina will be back pretty soon. She's still in surgery. She's getting a new motor put in. So we got the old motor out right now. That's the old motor. We did that. I got my hands dirty. You feel me? So I'm kind of excited, you know, put the work in myself, you know, make it all better, you know. So, but she is smoking real bad. I think it's the head. So we gotta take the throttle body off and put it on the new motor. This the motor right here. We working hard. Send y'all prayers to Catalina. You feel me? She looking like my old Gixxer 1000 I had. I'm gonna drop a picture so y'all can see. But yeah, we working though. So hopefully we be riding on it maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But we about to put the new motor in right now, and I'll see y'all later, y'all. So right now we on break right now. I'm about to go get some food. I ain't eating all day. Like I said, Catalina is working out pretty cool. Like I said, we about to go eat right now. I'm about to go grab something real quick because I am eating literally all day right now. But yeah, she be hopefully by the day. I said all we gotta do is put her back in. So hopefully she be starting up. I keep getting my head up, man. By the day. So yeah, we gonna be lit, y'all. You know, we working hard. That's actually the first time it was my second. Actually, this is my second time riding, doing a motor. I did my other motor. My first bike was the 06 1000. I put a new motor in that, so I'm gonna drop some pictures on that as well. I gotta find them. I think they're on my Instagram. So, but yeah. So it's my second time doing a motor. I'm not that good at it. Like I said, that was a while ago. But we wanna go eat. We'll be back. Stay tuned. Stay locked in. And make sure you guys go get some fresh merch, man. I got a store, and I have a TikTok store as well. So you definitely go get some. You know what I'm saying? Go cop the merch. Key tags is available as well. So make sure you go cop those. And new merch dropping soon, y'all. Peace. Back. We just took the 636 out for a spin. I ain't been on one of these in a hot little minute. I didn't set the GoPro up on it, but I will come back and test ride again with the GoPro, my chin, my point of view, all set up on that. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna take my glasses and stuff off. Stay tuned for that video. That video will be coming soon for that point of view with the on the test ride. But like I said, I haven't rode a 636 since Panda. I had an 05 636, and I missed her so much, man. And yeah, I ran into some electrical issue with that one real quick, and then they had got it running. So yeah, but this bike is amazing. It's a lot of pull on it for sure. I almost stalled a couple times on it, but the bike is really good. We just got back from eating, so he's working on cleaning the headers, and I got some wrap for my headers as well. Like I said, this bike is gonna be real different when y'all see it again. So it's gonna be Catalina 2.0 2.0 in a minute. But yeah, the bike is amazing. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of the bike real quick. It's nice setup on it, you know, very loud, good exhaust on it. But yeah, so you about to get back to work, and then so we just cleaned the engine up pretty. Oh, I got an O-ring right here. We just cleaned it out, the engine real good, scrubbing it out. Now we about to go clean the frame a little bit. We working, y'all. We trying to get this boy back on tools for real.
Oh, hey, look at that. They have block-off plates.
Yeah. What that mean?
They cut off the breathers. You do that on stunt bikes.
So it's used for stunt bike? I definitely.
So that way when you're like doing wheelies and stuff, oil doesn't get sucked into your intake. Because this goes into the intake.
Oh, okay. Well, it probably was wheeling it.
And you probably trashed the bike. But the thing is, it's usually better to have that because what it does is it creates a vacuum inside the valve cover, and it reduces the chances of your valve cover leaking.
Well, had that hose on it.
Yeah. But if we take these off, there's a chance that we don't know how old the gaskets are. The gaskets are underneath it. So it's up to you if you want us to eliminate it. But the other thing is there's a servo on that one.
Yeah, I'll just put that on.
Put it back on?
Yeah, I'll put those in there.
Oh, hey, your bolt's not going to be stripped anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, so we might... we don't have the old bolt. Because I don't know if that other bolt's going to be different threading. So we might have to run to the hardware store for that.
Which one was it? You said it's on the... This one? Is it this one?
Yeah. So that would go on this side. And this one. No, different threading. Oh, we can put your hoses on.
So it's this one I need right here, wasn't it?
Yep. You want to run up the tape? Here's the bolt.
Yeah, I can.
Just take that one with you so that way you know what to get.
What time is it? They close at 8.
All they do,
What time is it?
it's 7:58. Yeah.
So, I get some off. I gotta pay for it.
That's out. That. Probably need some channel locks.
Oh, we gotta do that. We gotta do that scene from Biker Boys when he did a scene. Was like, "Is your bike gonna be ready?" And he went down.
Here. Shove that in there. In there. It's supposed to help pull it out.
Oh, this one.
If it worked. Oh, those things are on there. So, last but not least, just get some vice grips on it. And you just gotta break it because there's corrosion. You just gotta break the corrosion free. Just like that. Now, here we're gonna hold that thing is.
This?
Yeah.
Something to do with the cooling hose.
Oh, they use antifreeze in here.
Yeah, you probably have to flush it.
Green stuff.
Whoever is ripping it on 696 and 94, we hear y'all. Like, I'm still putting up my motor right now. Y'all going in right now. I see y'all. But yeah, I'm still burning my motor right now. We putting a hose on right now. You said they use what now?
Green antifreeze. Oh, I probably should have asked. Do you want the labels showing or hidden? I was trying to just make them all showing because I thought it looked cool.
Yeah, look cool. Yeah, sure.
That was fucking proper race engine.
Oh, got started. Another update. Yo, we getting it together. We getting it together. We getting a hose put on. You feel me? We locking in with this motor for sure. We locking in.
Dang, that thing's on there.
No, it's why is y'all still ripping? Go home, like. Yo,
Just teasing us.
they doing it on purpose. Y'all do that on. Yo. Now they doing runs right now. They doing runs.
Oh, alright. A little bit stronger than me. I don't want that to rub against that for any reason. There.
shit.
That's probably far enough.
Shit.
As long as the clamp fits over it.
You said that last time. Do a whole motor. Fuck that.
Good point.
You can try too.
There we go.
You just kind of go over it.
Yep. Should be a snug fit.
Can you hold the motor?
There she goes. Oh, I forgot to put the clamp on.
Whew. Man. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Here go our progress, y'all. We got the hose on. We working on the hose for real, you feel me? Got the hose from work, you feel me? Got the hose from work, you know. Alright, shit. Whew. We not even a quarter away. Ooh, that look good as fuck. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's trash, dude. Actually, I want to push that on just a little further. That's as far as it's going to go.
Piece of it.
That's cute. It has little hearts on it.
That's cute. That's cute. So we got the hose on. Brand new hose as well. So I think this one of these blew off. Probably this one next to the. Well, I think maybe this one. No bad. Maybe this one they blew off. One of these blew off. So I don't know which one. I think it's this one. I think that was one that blew off. I think that air in it. But yeah, new hose system set up. You know, let's go. There's a lot of people at bike night. Cop shut it down. This me to come to sucker gear. Dang, that shut it down already. They's not playing. Look. That's wild. They said they got a whole task for it now. They is not playing.
Cops always acting like they got nothing better to do. Meanwhile, there's a family getting robbed, murdered.
Man, no,
They're just like, fuck it, who cares about them? Motherfucker! Another screw put in the wrong spot.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we can do the clock.
these on, hit 0 fucks given. There we go. That's our short straight one.
I feel like these holes will be a better flow too.
Yeah,
They wider too.
all nice and smooth silicone on the inside.
Yeah, these got that.
Okay, let's get on.
Man, I can tell you.
So this shifter isn't toothed, like, or keyed. So we'll have to adjust it depending on how high you want your shifter to be.
What you mean?
There's no keyway, so you can put it on at any angle.
I'll figure it out when I, probably the normal way.
I need this. There we go. Put her in here. So I can take the.
God damn.
Sounds like fucking NASCAR. Jesus.
Was that a car or a bike? I need something to dig this and just rip this up.
They had red Loctite on that one. Don't stop me.
Say, that's not stopping me.
There we go. So this was a 16 tooth. That other one's a 16. They're safe. But we want to put that on last.
I don't think mine was just dirty.
Yeah. Freaking filthy is what it is.
Filthy animal. So he be filthy little boy. Literally, y'all, I got a whole new bike to be honest with y'all right now. I seen somebody, this girl, she had did a TikTok, a page. I mean, she did a blog with her bike. That like, she was like, yeah, come ride with me. I spent so much on my bike, and then she did like, how much this cost? Ding, how much this cost? I'm gonna do the same thing for real. Like a little walk around. It could be it's Catalina 2.0 right now.
This cost how many hours of my life?
As they say $1,000. You know.
Hey, it's gonna be worth it more. It's gonna be worth more because you did it yourself.
Man, we did it. You feel me? We did it, y'all. You know. It's all nice and clean. You feel me? Cause it was filthy.
One thing to pay somebody to do it. Another thing to just.
Do it yourself.
Yep.
At that point, I can't do it again, man. Like, Yeah, this stuff really works too.
Good.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna sleep good at night. So we cleaning the. I ordered one of these today. So look, I ordered one, right? I'm gonna tell you this funny joke real quick. So I ordered one, and one came with the bike. He like, oh, cancel it real quick. He was like, cancel it real quick. I'm like, I can't. It's like literally on his way. He's literally on the way. So I got 2 of these. So, but they came with one. So I got an extra part. You never know. Stuff might happen. Stuff might break. You got extra parts. So that's your rule of thumb. It's never too much. Never too much. Never too much. Never too much. All right, this is clean. So here's the motor right now. It's all nice and clean. So it's all nice and clean right now. We literally cleaning it, got the new hose on there. We just washing it down. The bike is gonna be brand new for real, you feel me? So we got the new hosing system put on. This light always die. I don't know why. But yeah, so it's new motor time, you know. We coming along right now. Look at that. Clean motor. Clean. We hear cops, y'all. Somebody was running. Somebody running right now. Somebody's running. Catalina, y'all. We getting it done. We touching every boat. Every boat on this thing. They're gonna old motors. You feel me? That's all. You can like get some parts of that. New hoses, new everything. You can't see, but it's dark. But got a new hose set up on it. You know what I mean? So they want to be damn so tight. Yeah. New hoses. Whew. Yes, sir.
I say, let's get the rest of what we need to transfer over and start putting her in.
Yep.
Oh, shit, I got a floodlight. Oh, yeah, look at that big boy. Big ass spider right there.
Oh shit.
That guy's huge. But that's why I don't have mosquitoes.
Yeah, they eat all them shits.
Dude, I would not want to get bit by that. Or have that land on me. Jesus.
He's huge.
It can scare the shit out of me. Alright, so let's get all these clamps off. So, just gotta unplug these. That screw is in the way. Wait, does the new motor have that? We need like a floodlight.
Probably, I don't think so. I don't think it don't have none of the top stuff on there. Can I get this Gatorade right here?
Yep. Twisted Tea's mine. It's the only thing keeping me going.
I had bought that one time. I thought it was like fucking. We can unplug my girl. I thought it was like regular tea, and then looked at this liquor. I'm like, oh, I can't have this coming out of the volume.
Oh.
I had to pour it away.
That's a party foul. That's what that is.
Put it in there. Just put it in there.
Yeah. It's just best to have it up high so it's not in your eyes. So I need like floodlight or something. Alright, we're done cleaning this. Let's do it on over. This stuff? Oh yeah, this is. We got this guy. That's good. I think that's just the crankcase breather. We got oil pressure sensor. Already transferred over the shifter. This we need. Actually, it's not damaged. Wait a second. It is damaged. Oh, connector. Yeah, little connector. A D pin. Not really, just D pin.
Oh, take the clamp off?
Yep. Give it a click.
Yep.
Perfect. We don't need this because I left this on the bike. So I say let's just rip it off now. It's just the ground wire for the starter.
Oh, it's going on the bike, ain't it?
Yeah. I just left it on the bike because there's. It's just a temper.
Oh, you need to check they got this on here. Upstairs. I'm gonna get a hoodie. I'm freezing. We still working on the motor, so bear with us. We are touching every bolt, nick, cranny, cleaning the bike as we go. But like I said, guys, this is Catalina, y'all. Catalina 2.0. She is getting a redone. So she is getting an engine swap, the first engine swap that I did in a long time. But yeah, she tore down right now. She look inside. She in the ER right now. She's getting literally cleaned up. So I will be right back.
You gotta put it on before looking at what it says.
What it say? Hold on, I'm gonna do this on. Hold on, let me see what it says. Just put it on.
Yeah.
What it says?
It's nothing offensive.
Let's see. This is crazy. Ew. Is this a small?
It's probably just left in the dryer for too long.
What is extra? It's over small. I was a medium back in like 09. Like,
Oh, it's cotton, so it shrinks a lot.
yeah, no, for sure. I just want a hoodie because I'm freezing. This is what the hoodie says. But yeah, we getting back to work, y'all. Peace.
Oh yeah. So spark plugs.
So guys, we are putting a throttle body on right now. You probably can't see me. It's dark, but we working hard. We got a lot of progress. We putting a throttle body on right now from the old motor. So we still working, yo. I don't think it's gonna count that.
All right. Last chance to decide if you want to keep this thing.
I'll keep it.
And all things should be covered. I was gonna say I was gonna spray it down with silicone, but it should be covered with silicone. So they go this way. The center ones aren't done.
Hold on, let me show.
Ah, there we go. I felt that.
We over here working hard, y'all. This damn thing is irritating my soul.
Go. She's ready to go back in?
Yeah, y'all hear that, guys? She's going back in. Let's go.
The push of life.
The push of life. Here we go, y'all. We about to push it. The push. Yeah, let's get it, y'all. You got it? That's fine. I'm got another one. Should have took it off.
Give her a pull. Oh yeah, I forgot we could turn. There we go. That should be going on. Oop. We hooked it. Oh. Plug. Now we gotta go up. Or here, do you want to try and get the chain on first? Over that stud.
This right here?
Yeah.
You gotta come my way, my right. Nope, you gotta come short.
Oh, let's pull it off the sprocket. There we go. Yeah, that was the hardest part. All right, now we just gotta jack her up.
Tell me when to stop.
gotta keep going. Oh, there we go. Keep going. Oh, hold up. Something. It's pushing on something. I saw the bike going up. Alright, keep going. I'm just gonna try and get the bottom bolt in. Keep going. She's almost there. Keep going. There we go. Alright. One started. And this one. So now we just have to lift her backwards. Oh, my knee is killing me. It's going numb.
Oh yeah.
So that goes there. I should probably try and get that throttle cable on. Are we still have access to it? That's the top.
Would have lighted.
There. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Go ahead. What do you think, bro?
No, I gotta. It's gonna be a quick dump.
We almost got the motor in. As you can see, it's like halfway in. We got one bolt halfway in. So after that, we just put everything else. Gonna be easy. She gonna bolt right on up. About to be lit, y'all. Yeah. So I'm gonna get story time real quick. So I was riding last Friday and I guess one of the hoses came undone, right? I ain't know. So I'm just riding like normal, right? You know, going to work. And I look down, the bike at 253. So I'm like, oh my God, bro. Like, I didn't even know. But I wiped my bike down the day before. Didn't see no coolant. So all the coolant leaked out on my way home. But it was still kind of chilly out like right now. And the bike wasn't overheating because the cold air was still keeping it cold. Soon as it hit 70, it is overheated. I'm sick because I got my GoPro charged up. Like, I'm like, yeah, I'm about to do some more content. I'm about to ride, you feel me? Do some more TikToks. It was like, nah. So I ordered a motor. It came today. So we've been working on it literally all day. Took a little break, got some food. So as a new update right now, I got new ferns. Y'all gonna see those. I got what else I got? I got new stickers. So that's gonna be lit. So that'll be here about next week. And I'm gonna just use the old ferns right now until the new ones come. So it's gonna be a big reveal. It's gonna be Catalina 2.0 because she got a new motor in it. So new hose system, new spark plugs in this new motor, new hoses, new clamps. I still got I'm using my throttle body. I'm still using some old parts, and I got fresh oil. Gonna be fresh coolant in it. The Yamaha lube. So that's gonna be like a good thing too. So I want to thank everybody who who reached out to me. Keep me updated. I kept them updated, and the people that reached out to me, I really do appreciate that love, man. You know, having a bike and then go down like that is very sad, you know, because it's riding season. Like me, I took my bike in the shop in like in October, and I got all my work done, and then this happened. So I was kind of sad for a little minute, but I have friends there, you know, to help me, you know, get through this, you know. That talk to me, they help me look up parts and stuff like that. So shout out to y'all. I'm gonna tag y'all below, or just put y'all name down. But if y'all seen this, I really do appreciate y'all for sure, because everybody tapped in, everybody was concerned and stuff like that. But I did blow the heads. I need to get that bolt. That's like rusted out. But I did blow the head gaskets. But yeah, I just couldn't pay 1,000. Like I couldn't pay that. Like, you know what I mean? Like I love my mechanic and stuff like that. But it's like I can't keep paying that every time. Like, something going wrong. Like, it's a good learning experience. It's good to get your hands dirty. It's good to work on your own bike for real. So next I'm gonna do my own oil changes or something like that. Uh, I'm doing that. That's gonna be lit. But yeah, I'm gonna start really doing my own thing with my bike. Like I can't keep paying somebody every time 1,000 every time. Like 2 times 1,000. That's 12. That's almost 1,200. Like on 200. That 200. You know what I mean? So that's 2K. Like no, that's $2,000. Like ain't no way. Like you know what I mean? So I decided to do it myself. To do my own engine swap. It's really not hard. It's just connecting it. It seemed like it's very scary to do, but it's not hard. We labeled some things as well. We got everything organized. Everything is on the side too as well. So yeah, man, it's coming along as well. But yeah, I'm live on Instagram. But yeah, that's really it. She should maybe done by tonight. I don't know yet. I do gotta work in the morning, so I'm definitely gonna come when I get off work. It should be done by this weekend. Um, hopefully. Um, yeah, she should be done by this weekend for sure, for sure. Now, if you get the motor in a day, it's like we good, we Gucci, we halfway in the dough, like you know. But it's gonna be lit, like. But so now, okay, so now I got an extra motor. I'm just gonna build that motor up, fix the heads on it, and then have an extra motor laying around. Cause you never know. My hair, it's like hella tight. For some odd reason, it's like hella tight. I gotta oil it. It's like hella tight and it's pulling on my scalp. Like some locks are like really tight when I put it in a bun. It's like really. It's just really tight. You know how like your hair is like really tight? It's dry. Yeah, I gotta oil my hair tonight. And I'm making it, my hands are dirty or greasy. So yeah. It's just hella tight on my head right now. It's like hurting. But yo, what's the deal? What's up, y'all? Yeah, what up though? Woody. Oh yeah, I'm working on Catalina right now. So I'm putting a whole new engine in my bike right now. Found the oil filter. Thought I lost it, but yeah, but we found it in my car or in my Jeep. Y'all can see me right now. We putting the oil in right now. We got the Yamaha lube in. If y'all can hear me, we been working for a hot little minute. Had one lunch. You know, you feel me? So hopefully tomorrow, if we do a test run tomorrow, I might do a vlog so I can get my ADV and my car hooked up so I can vlog for real, get my point of view across. So that's gonna be coming soon for sure.